Hey, what's going on guys, Fred's Tech Up here. This is my unboxing and review of the Tecno Pouvoir 3 Plus. You might want to ask which one is the Pouvoir 3 Plus again when we already have the Tecno Pouvoir 3. Well, the Plus model here is a new addition to the series and it comes with some welcome changes and features. So, as we all know, the Pouvoir series has always been about the battery. A device that can last for days on a single charge, and Tecno has made big claims on how capable the battery is and how it can last for 5 days on a single charge. So in today's video, I'm going to review it, give you my thoughts, what I think about it, and also see if this claim is actually true. But before I begin, please kindly hit on that subscribe button to join this awesome family and turn on your post notification so you get alerted when I post a new video. When you open the box, you're greeted with the phone. It has a label on it that houses basic specs about the phone, including a huge 6000 mAh battery in a colorful font, so you know your phone is a battery beast. There's a Google Assistant icon on it which further explains what the dedicated red button on the left side of the phone stands for. Moving on is the SIM ejector tool, a standard 5V charging brick with no word for fast charging, the earpiece, a 12 plus 1 month warranty card, a Google Assistant leaflet that offers little explanation about Google Assistant on the phone, a specification manual, and as you can see here, it lists all the 4G LTE band it supports, including Glow 4G LTE band 28, a transparent silicone case to help protect your device, and that's pretty much it inside the box. So back to the phone, the first thing you'll notice is how heavy it feels due to that extra large 6000 mAh battery inside. It is thick, but the curved edges at the back further reduce the thickness, making it feel nice to hold. At 6.35 inch, it doesn't look big thanks to the minimal screen to body ratio. It looks a little like the recently released Tecno Phantom 9, which is not a bad thing in any way, but you will definitely feel there's something in your pocket at all time. On the right side of the device, we've got the power button and the volume rocker keys. On the left side, there's a dedicated button for Google Assistant and a dual nano SIM slot with a micro SD card support. At the bottom, we've got the headphone jack, a microphone, a micro USB charging port, and a speaker grill. At the back, we've got the triple camera setup with the quad flash, a fingerprint scanner, the Pouvoir branding, and the Tecno branding as well. On top, we've got nothing. Just like the Tecno Phantom 9, the Pouvoir 3 Plus also incorporates a dual front flash for decent selfies in low lighting condition. On the display side, the Tecno Pouvoir 3 Plus has a lot to offer. For the first time, the Tecno Pouvoir series employs a 6.35 inch AMOLED display with a DCI P3 wide color gamut. It is an HD Plus display which translates to 720 by 1548 screen resolution with up to 600 nits of screen brightness and a contrast ratio of 100,000 to 1. Guys, this is huge for an entry-level device, and I have to tell you the display is quite good. I can barely tell the difference between this and the Tecno Phantom 9 unless I bring them together and try to strain my eyes to look for the difference. Watching online videos and playing games is very okay, however, it is still capped at 720p resolution. The display is bright outdoors, viewing angle is okay, and being an AMOLED display, the colors appears vivid and fairly accurate. On the spec sheet, the Pouvoir 3 Plus packs a MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core CPU that is clocked at 2.0 GHz, a 3GB of RAM, a 32GB of internal storage, Android 9 Pie, and a crazy massive 6000 mAh battery that I mentioned earlier. Performance on this guy is marginally okay, which means it is on the average side. Most things run smooth, launching apps, switching between apps, and general multitasking is trouble-free, though there are some minimal lag here and there. Playing some light games and browsing the web is quite responsive as well. The thing is, don't just throw heavy tags on it because you will notice performance drop immediately, especially if you have too many background apps running. I still believe Tecno's custom skin, which is iOS 5.0, would have made the Pouvoir 3 Plus a much better device if it didn't come with so much bloatware. Benchmark scores yield unimpressive results on a single core score and somewhat average on a multi-core scores. The Pouvoir 3 Plus comes with some nifty security features you expect from a modern smartphone today, which is a fingerprint scanner and face unlock. While they work very well, I would advise you to solely rely on the fingerprint scanner for a better all-round security. About battery life, this is where the Tecno Pouvoir 3 Plus really shines. The 6000 mAh battery is a beast, and I'll say it can take a beating for a long time before giving up the ghost. The lower screen resolution and its AMOLED nature doesn't stress the battery too much. Tecno claims it can last for 5 days on a single charge, but trust me, this is not entirely true. It is still going to depend on what you're going to do on it. However, from my test, I can tell it can last for 3 days on a moderate use, and it can comfortably last for a day plus if you're a heavy user. So the Tecno Pouvoir 3 Plus also packs 3 cameras behind, like most smartphones these days. It has a 13 megapixels main sensor, an 8 megapixels ultra wide sensor, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. On the front side, it has a 13 megapixel selfie shooter. The quality from the rear camera is amazing. It is detailed with good colors, high dynamic range is decent, and the overall image quality is sharp with vivid colors. Wide angle camera on the other hand does a decent job as well. They are sharp with good amount of details, however it struggles a bit in low light condition, but generally it is okay. Portrait shot is okay too, and edge detection is fairly okay. Low light images isn't a strong feature of this device. However, if taking pictures at night is one of the features you look out for on a smartphone, then the quad flash behind has got you covered. Selfies look decent as well, and they also have good amount of details to each images, but sometimes the highlight can be easily blown out, resulting in overexposed images. If you enjoy taking selfies at night, I'll tell you to be happy because the included front flash helps in taking somewhat satisfying selfies at night. The Pouvoir 3 Plus shoots video in 1080p resolution and the quality is quite good too. However, the footage lacks any form of stability, resulting in a shaky footage. So if you intend to use it for videos, make sure you get yourself a tripod or any other form of stabilizer. So in my conclusion, I will say the Pouvoir 3 Plus has improved in so many ways, making it a worthy addition to the growing series. I think this is the worthiest upgrade from the previous device. The 6000 mAh battery isn't a bragging right from Tecno, but rather a promise of delivering a long-lasting experience. If Google Assistant is your most needed feature on a smartphone, then the dedicated Google Assistant button should be able to be at your beck and call at all time. The price is unknown for now, but I don't think it will be more than 52,000 naira. Alright guys, share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. Like and share this video to help someone make a purchase decision. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.